Is AI going to take your job? According to a recent Gallup poll, about 3/4 of Americans believe AI will cause a net decrease in jobs over the next 10 years. And honestly, you can see why. We're already seeing early signs that workers who don't use AI are more likely to be laid off. But what if this exact same technology could be your key to getting ahead? What if you could use AI to build a side hustle that puts you in control of your money? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get on the winning side of the biggest tech revolution in our lifetime. Let's be clear, the fear is not just in your head. The world of work is changing fast. A report from Goldman Sachs estimated that generative AI could impact 300 million full-time jobs worldwide. While many jobs won't disappear, they are going to be completely transformed. The jobs facing the biggest, fastest changes are the ones built on repetitive tasks. Think admin support and data entry. The International Labor Organization has pointed out that clerical jobs are one of the most exposed categories, a fact that disproportionately impacts women, who hold many of these roles. Some reports from organizations like the World Economic Forum project that while millions of new jobs will pop up, even more could be displaced, creating a huge skills gap. This isn't about a report, it's about your career, your family, and the terrifying feeling of being left behind. That anxiety is real, but sitting around and worrying is a choice. The other choice is to grab this technology and make it work for you. Okay, we've covered the scary part. Now for the opportunity. For every single task AI automates, it creates a new way for you to make money. The smartest people are already using AI as an assistant, a tool that handles the boring stuff so they can focus on what humans do best, being creative and strategic. But the biggest opportunity isn't just using AI at your 9 to 5, it's using it to build your own thing. Here are 3 AI side hustles for beginners you can start right now. First, AI-powered content creation. Every business on earth needs more content, blog posts, social media, and emails, but nobody has the time. You can use AI to do 90% of the work, like research and first drafts. Your job is the last 10%, making it sound human, checking the quality, and adding that creative spark AI just can't match. You're not a writer, you're an editor with superpowers. And hey, if you're getting value from this, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button. We have way more ideas coming. Let me know in the comments which one of these you'd try first. Second, simple chatbots for local businesses. Think about your local dentist, gym, or restaurant. How many times a day do they answer the same questions? What are your hours? Do you have any appointments? They would gladly pay you to build a simple AI chatbot that answers those questions 24/7. With no-code tools, you can build this in an afternoon, charge a setup fee, and collect a monthly check to keep it running. Third, AI-generated digital products. This is where you build something once and sell it forever. Think custom meal plans, workout guides, or printable art for a specific niche like dads who love fishing. You use AI to generate the designs or content, package it up, and sell it on sites like Etsy or Gumroad. You bring the idea, AI brings the speed. Look, the AI wave is here, and it's changing everything. You can either stand on the beach and get wiped out, or you can learn to surf. This isn't something that just happens to you. AI is a tool that you can control. The jobs most at risk are repetitive. The opportunities are in creativity, strategy, and using these insane new tools. AI is changing the world. The only question is, are you going to get left behind by it or get rich from it? Don't watch this revolution from the sidelines. If you're ready to stop worrying and start building, check out the link in the description.